Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a La Spaziale Dream. We did some work on the group head. We also replaced the three-way brew valve, and we replaced the seat gasket for the expansion valve. And with that, we adjusted the expansion valve and the pump to hopefully give a nice, the nice full 9 bars of pressure. And we also programmed what I think is a nice double shot. And with the size of the cup, I just did 2 shots so we can see it happen. There we go. Here's the hot water valve back there. It should shut off in about 5 seconds. There we go. Let's check the steam. We'll let it just refill. You can hear it asking for water that it took off. And let that purge for a second. And then you can see nice, strong steam. Well, there you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.
Perfect. We can turn it on.